In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Paperform on ClickFunnels. Integrating Paperform with ClickFunnels can streamline your workflow and enhance your marketing funnel by automatically transferring form submissions to your ClickFunnels account. So let's dive in and make this process a breeze. First, you'll want to navigate to Zapier by visiting zapier.com and log into your account. Zapier is a fantastic tool that automates tasks between different apps, vastly reducing the need for manual data entry. Once you're logged in, look for the button labeled Create Zap and give it a click. This will initiate a new workflow where you'll set up a task that begins with a trigger and ends with an action, essentially connecting Paperform to ClickFunnels in a seamless manner. Now let's set up the trigger app. Select Paperform as the trigger app, and then choose New Form Submission from the list of options provided. This choice ensures that any new responses submitted via Paperform will kickstart the process and trigger the action you will define next. You will be prompted to connect your Paperform account. Simply follow the instructions to authorize Zapier to access your Paperform data. Then pick the specific form you'd like to integrate with ClickFunnels. Make sure you're selecting the correct form, as this determines which submissions are used in the automation. Having set up your trigger, it's time to choose the action app. In this case, you'll select ClickFunnels, then opt for either Create Contact or Add to Funnel step, depending on how you want the information to be handled once it reaches your ClickFunnels account. Connecting your ClickFunnels account to Zapier involves another round of authorization, which is essential for the data transfer. Follow the intuitive prompts to ensure your accounts are linked correctly, paving the way for smooth data migration. Now comes a crucial part of the setup, mapping fields. This is where you align the data fields from your Paperform with those in ClickFunnels. For instance, you'll map fields like name, email, and any other relevant information that you've collected via the form. This alignment ensures that when a form is submitted, all the necessary data is transferred accurately and appears in the correct fields in ClickFunnels. Attention to detail here can save you time and prevent errors down the line. Once you've successfully mapped these fields, it's a good idea to test the Zap. Running a test ensures everything is functioning as it should be, and the data is moving where you expect it to go. If the test is successful, you can then click on Publish to activate your Zap, allowing it to spring into action whenever new data is submitted through your Paperform. And there you have it. Integrating Paperform with ClickFunnels via Zapier is that simple. By following these steps, you're on your way to automating your workflow and making your marketing endeavors even more efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.